Hello, my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds, shiny diamonds. How is everyone? Good, I hope. It's your girl, Diamond Debbie. How is everyone? Anyway, you guys, okay, I just put the PotentLift on. Look at my face. Guys, it is so freaking tight. Like, I can't even describe to you how tight this stuff makes your face, but it's very, 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 very tight, okay? So this is my beautiful canvas, and we are going to do application of makeup to use with this. As I said, you cannot use any oil-based. So you can use liquid foundation if y'all like, but don't use any that has oil in it, okay? It has to be oil-free. Or it breaks the PotentLift's ingredients for working, okay? But it gives you a natural shine, the PotentLift. And yes, ma'am, yes, sir. Let's get started. So I use mineral makeups, okay? And powder or mineral makeups, that's the best bet for y'all. I can hardly smile because of it, but look, when I smile, no lines. No lines anywhere, you guys. This is all firmed up very nicely. Yeah, it works so good, you guys. Like, you can't even smile, okay? But, let's get started. I want to show y'all quickly how I do it, okay? Now, as for your foundation part, and I love a natural look. I use this in my, photo shoot, and you're going to be seeing some of those as thumbnails, okay? But this is what I use, guy. I have the True Match Mineral Makeup from L'Oreal, and it is in the Classic Tan, okay? Classic Tan. And this is how it looks, you guys. You can get all of these products at a Walmart, a CVS, a Walgreens, any regular, store like that. That's where I got these, okay? So this has a brush, and then I have this Covergirl Clean in Classic Tan, okay? I use that too some of the time. So if you're running out the door, you've got your PotentLift on, you don't have a lot of time, you can do this in the car. Just put it on. I mean, just that simple. I'm not going to do this one. I'm just going to use this one for right now, okay? But it's going to give you a very natural, beautiful, beautiful application. And that's how it looks. It's a powder, Classic Tan, okay? So let's do this, shall we? You blow, because you didn't want to, like, make it like, you know what I'm talking about. Y'all don't want to make it like in one spot really dark or something. So you just do it like that. And it's going to give you your natural look, okay? Yeah, I was going to do half and half with the Covergirl. But guys, I'm just letting you know you can do it that way too, which works very good. So this is going to give you a natural look. And it's going to be beautiful, okay? Okay, so got it. So now we're going to go right in here and down to the side, okay? All the way to the hairline, down to the side. All right, this is plenty right here, so I just got a good little amount on there. Y'all see how this is just creating a flawless, natural look, okay? It's very easy, guys, and it's really, really pretty, and especially for the summer. It gives you a bronzed glow, which is so natural and so yummy with this product, okay, with the PotentLift. So I even do my eyes, and my droopy eyes are not there, which is fabulous, okay? No droopy eyes, honey, no droopy eyes. If y'all use this, I'm telling y'all, It works so flippin' amazing, guys. Amazing. Y'all see now how pretty that is. It's very natural. And I did put the PotentLift on my neck. Okay. And so I'm going to use a little bit of this on my neck. Yeah, there's very little on here, guys, because I need to shake it, but it'll be okay. Because there's enough on the face, and that's so pretty. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is with that. Because the PotentLift has such a beautiful canvas that when you do something like this, it just enhances it. It enhances it, okay, guys? So that's it. Look. So you get that beautiful, natural color, which is fabulous, okay? Just fabulous. L'Oreal, honey. Classic Tan, all right? And it's True Match Minerals, okay? Now, next, what I use is your Covergirl True Blend Mineral, and it is in the golden, sunrise, okay? And it is M435, golden sunrise. Y'all see this? Covergirl. This stuff rocks, guys. Oh my God, and it is messy. Okay, so this is how that looks. See that? So pretty. It's so shimmery. It's gorgeous, okay? So I use a big fluffy brush for that. I dip in, see, like that. Blow it off some so you don't get it too dark on your face, okay? You don't want to make it like so prominently dark. You want it to look, you want it to flow, okay? So there's that side. And as y'all can see, I dip in, honey, because there's a lot in here. You got to blow. Just blow, honeys. Just blow. But anyway, so you do it like that, and you see it gives you that natural tan on your cheeks, okay? And then we're going to go in with a highlighter on the top of the cheekbone, all right? But look at that. And then you dip again, okay? Blow. And go ahead and get up here. You're going to want to do it like, because you're going to put your highlighter in the center of the forehead. But in this, on the sides up here, you just use this, okay? And it adds, and you can even put a little bit, you know, around here if you want to, okay? Even though I'm going to use the other stuff, the highlighter. And then you just put a little bit on your neck, all right, guys? But look at that. Look at how pretty it is. You guys, it is so friggin' beautiful and so natural. What a beautiful application. Okay. That's that. Guys, my friggin' desk is a mess. I'm going to have to get this makeup off, and it is going to be hard. All right. So, next up, we are going to do, I have these. I have two of these, guys. These are L'Oreal also. And they are the Loreal Lumi Shimmerista, True Match Shimmerista. Okay, this is like a blush color. This one is like your white highlighter. Okay, and these are number, let's see here, honeys. All right, the blush one is number 506, and the other one, the white one, is 505. 506, 505, Shimmerista by L'Oreal. Okay, guys, so that's what it looks like. All right, gorgeous. I love the blush one, so that's the one I'm going to be using, all right? And let me show it to you. Look at that. So pretty, guys. Oh my God, is it gorgeous. So I use a brush like this because I'm only going to put it on, and you blow, and then you just go right here on that cheekbone, okay? Right there on the old cheekbone. So there you have it. See that? And it's going to give it that shimmer. It's going to give you a little shimmer right there, a little highlight, and make it just rock. Yeah, it's so pretty, guys, this application. I'm going to tell y'all. It's the best. And like I said, one of my shiny diamonds watched my video with PotentLift last year of me doing this makeup application, and she loves it. And she's been using it ever since, some of it. So this part especially, this was her favorite trick and tips. And I was so honored. So then you put it in the center, okay? And see that glow it's going to give you? Put it right above the eyebrow. All right, put it in the center and then go down your nose, straight down to the tip. You see that glow? Onto your Cupid's bow, guys. So straight down. All right, and you can always take a little tissue. I didn't have one, y'all, but take a tissue and kind of like blend it, okay? You don't have to leave it really heavy. And you can also put this on your neck and your chest even, for that matter, okay? If your chest is showing. So y'all see that? So I have the darker around it, and then I put me a beautiful glow on the cheekbone, as well as down the nose, the Cupid bow, and under. So gorgeous, guys. So gorgeous. All right. And this is the other Shimmerista, and it's really pretty, but it's a white Shimmerista. And let me just show you what that looks like really quick if I can. I dipped my finger in it, but let me just show you the glow. So that's how that one looks. You see that? You see that glow? So pretty. Let me show you the one I just applied, how it looks on the finger. Okay. See that? So that is the blush looking one. So pretty. That's the one I have on, and that's the other Shimmerista. All right. So pretty, you guys. Oh my God, Becky. All right. That's all you have to do, you guys. That's it. Okay. Now, if I was applying my eye makeup and stuff, y'all, I would put white right in the corner of my eyes, white on the brow here, and then I put the Shimmerista on the top of the brow, okay? And like I said, like my nose is really glowing, but all you do is just use the tissue and see the cheek glowing. So pretty, guys. All right, and so that's all you have to do. What else did I want to show y'all? There was one more thing. Let's see. Anyway, so you'd put the white, if you was doing your eyes in the corners. That's what I do. I put the white in the corner and eyeshadow. That's white in the corner, and it rocks it, okay? And then I have an eyebrow pencil, and I just, you know, darken my brows just a little. Now, y'all, I'm looking in a ring light, okay? So if this isn't perfect, think nothing of it. Because I'm actually got my face in a very bright, ringy light, okay? So y'all don't think nothing of it. It's just a bright ring light, and there's nothing I can do about it. I can't, like, see extra, extra good because of the ring light. But that's all I do. Now look at that. That is so pretty, guys. So natural, so gorgeous. And your PotentLift is going to stay intact. If you need to refresh later in the night, you can. But look, no wrinkle when I smile. Look, no pudging, okay? No lines there. Y'all see? All right, I'm just letting y'all know, y'all. But I would take a tissue and wipe this, just to take a little bit of the harshness out. And then I would apply me a lipstick, okay? Look at my glow, guys. It is so pretty. This side is not glowing as good because of the lighting in here. But, yeah. But I'm trying. But y'all get the general idea. Now, let's do our lips. I'm not going to do my eyes. Because I didn't have a mirror up. I'm in the middle of a ring light. Okay, guys? Sorry, I'm kind of shaky. There we go. So there's your lips. You do your lips. And honey, another tip and trick from your girl, Diamond Debbie, is take you an eyeshadow palette, pick a white, okay? Pick a white, and then just put it in here, right in the center of your lipstick. It's going to make that pop along with your eyes and all the shimmer. It's just going to make your lips pop. You see that? So natural, so friggin' yummy, and so flippin' pretty, okay? I wish I brought a tissue, but I didn't, guys. But you guys, that's it. This is all you have to do to have an amazing potent lip look. Y'all see my wrinkles are gone. No 11s. Y'all see over here. Okay, I got a little line going. None over there, but I don't have those 3 whole lines right there. I think that was the one from the surgery, or it might have been on this side. I can't remember. But you don't have no wrinkles. Look. My wrinkles in my mouth. Look. My marinara lines. Look. Laid flat. Okay, honeys? And I put it on my neck. My neck look amazing. And this is pretty darn firm over here. It's sculpted. It's not like all sagged out, which I freaking love. Y'all see that? And guys, so you just, like I said, I'd take something and kind of, you know, rub that down just a little, the shimmer. And honey, you can just go. You can go just like this. And you can do this without PotentLift, by the way. This is an application I use even without PotentLift. On my everyday thing, if I am just going off really quick, I will do that, or I will use your Covergirl Classic Tan in this, and, you know, in the powder, and I will just put that all over my face, and that's all you need. It gives you all the color you need, and then I would go on and apply this one, the bronzer, and then I would apply my Shimmerista, okay, for my highlight. So you guys, you can do it either way, but this is just some tips and tricks from your girl, Diamond Debbie. And I just want to let y'all know that this is how it looks with the PotentLift, and it's amazing, and you don't flipping have to. You don't have to friggin' do a liquid. You can do mineral, and it makes it so pretty. It's so natural, so summery, you guys, so summery. And my face looks amazing. So, you guys, I hope this helps someone out there, and I love y'all so much. And dang it, don't miss this weekend's video. It's the giveaway, okay? It's the giveaway video, but y'all need to start sharing right now these videos, because I've got to get to 2,000 subs. And one of you lucky ladies is going to get you a bottle of the famous PotentLift, the #1 innovative formula for instantly ageless or instant face and neck lift and wrinkle remover, okay? As well as long-term benefits. So you guys, stay tuned, honey. Stay tuned. And next month, I've got something even more for y'all, okay? I've got to give away every month. So you guys, share, share, share. I hope y'all have enjoyed this quick, beautiful bronze makeup look that I gave y'all. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I go out like this, put on some mascara, ladies. You're flipping good to go, okay? You're good to go. Anyway, I love you, my gorgeous and beautiful shiny diamonds, and I'll see y'all soon in the next video.